Yes, buying a home could increase your credit score because you have another account reporting onto your credit report. So it's going to be reporting as an installment account. Just make sure that you guys are paying your mortgage on time. If you guys have any late payments, if you guys like paying your mortgage late, these things are going to drop your credit score a lot. So just make sure that you guys are paying your mortgage on time, and you guys should see a great increase in your credit score. Now, I told you guys about the 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. Please go ahead and check that out. The 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. This is very, very important for those home buyers, especially because sometimes if you just increase your credit score a little bit more, you'll get a better interest rate. Your interest rate is going to go off of what your credit score is. So the better your credit score, the better interest rate you're going to get. So go ahead and check this out. I have it for free for you guys. So definitely go ahead and check it out and follow the 5 ways to increase your credit score. I also have my membership you guys can check out. So with my membership, I can actually hold your hand through this process and say, hey, I looked at your credit reports today. This is what you need to do. And then we're going to keep meeting up. So the first time we're going to meet up, I'm going to send you a video looking at your credit reports and say, hey, this is what we have to do to remove some of these accounts. Then next, I want to possibly apply for credit cards, fix your utilization. That's usually 2 weeks after we start. But through those 60 days, I'm holding your hand through the process and telling you exactly what you need to do. But definitely go ahead and check that out. The 5 ways to increase your credit score is 60 points in 60 days. And I'll also give you free dispute letters. So it's no reason why you shouldn't check it out. Go ahead and check it out and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to answer.